Welcome back, guys. Thanks for checking out another video. So I know I have a lot of 8th gen and 9th gen content on my channel, but I also do a lot of 10th gen tuning, Civic SIs, FK8 Type Rs. I know I really don't have any videos on these cars, but I do tune a lot of them, and I'll probably start posting more and more of these cars because honestly, this is what I'm seeing more and more these days. I'm seeing fewer and fewer like B series and D series and H22s, more Ks, like 8th gens and 9th gens. Things are changing and I'm seeing a lot more 10th gens these days. So this one is a really cool setup. It has basically everything you can do done to it on the stock engine still. And it put down some great numbers. So I thought I'd make a video for you guys and let me know what you think. But like usual, I've already done all the tuning. I've recorded a couple dyno pulls for you. I'm gonna go through the build and then I'll share the dyno pulls and then I'll share the final results. Like I said, this thing is basically everything done to it. Tyler, the owner, has thrown the entire PRL book at it. I'm gonna go through the parts starting at the intake side of things. He has done the PRL HVI intake, PRL titanium turbo inlet. It does have a PRL P600 Turbo, PRL Intercooler, PRL Down Pipe, PRL Front Pipe, Greddy Supreme SP exhaust, I believe it is. It also has the Hondata fuel system and the Hondata MAF500. We tuned this car on our pump gas today. It's on 94 octane pump gas. It is tuned on the Hondata Flashpro. I don't think there's much more you can do to these cars. He's pretty much done everything you can do to it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but to put down some great numbers today on pump gas, why don't I cut to the shots of the dyno pulls and then I'll share the final results at the end. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls. It is a hot one in here today. It has been a challenge to keep this car cool today. This fan setup works pretty decently, but it is 89 degrees in the shop, apparently. It was a struggle to make the power, but it still did make really good power today. So I might as well bring up the dynographs and show you what it put down. All right, today, with the weather that we're having, it put down 430 wheel horsepower, 406 foot-pounds torque. Pretty good numbers if you ask me. This is a completely internally stock engine, just basically everything you can throw at it. I definitely think on a cooler day, this car would actually make even more, but it is what it is. This is the climate that we live in. Canada has a very unique climate. We get some extreme colds and then some extreme heats and a lot of humidity. But either way, this is a fantastic result for these mods and this temperature. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hopefully you've enjoyed this different dyno tune. I know I showed a lot of other cars, but I think this is the first FK8 that I've done on the channel, even though I've tuned a lot of them. So if you like it, let me know, and I will capture more and more of these cars as they come by. That's about it for this video, guys. Thanks again for watching. Like always, if you like the video, do me a favor, if you consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you. So thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.